In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Super Bowl squares, also known as football squares. I'm going to explain how you can pick the squares, how you can read the grid to see who wins. And if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. For this example, I'm using an online football squares grid. You can access this via onlinefootballsquares.com if you want to play on the exact same website that I'm using. But if you don't know how football squares works, it's essentially played on a 10 by 10 grid, which gives you 100 total squares. This is the demo game right here, which showcases this pretty good with the Eagles and 49ers game. And as you can see, this is the full grid, just like so. You're going to want to wait till all these squares are filled up. Numbers 0 through 9 are going to be randomly assigned along the top and the side, just like so. And these numbers represent the last digit of each team's score at the end of each quarter. For example, if the score at the end of the first quarter is 27-16, you look at only the last digits, so 7 and 6. Essentially, you'd want to find 7 along the side of the grid and then 6 along the top of the grid. And as you can see, Charlie would be the winner for this round. Right where those two numbers intersect is the winning square. Whoever wins that square wins that quarter, and this process repeats at the end of each quarter. And sometimes there's also a payout for the final score. There's not really any skill involved since the numbers are kind of assigned after everyone picks. Football squares is mostly a game of luck, and you just pick your squares and hope that the score lands on them. If you are using an online grid, everything is tracked automatically, so you don't really have to worry about doing any math during the game. But that is it. That is how you could play Super Bowl squares. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.